Hello everyone, so I'm going to unbox this screen from JVC. It's a portable monitor, as you can see here, full HD touch. This is the model here, LT-PN1625. It does have mini HDMI. It does have HDMI input, USB-C. It does have speakers, and it's a touch screen. So this monitor does have a lot. Okay, it does have a lot on it. I'm gonna open it. Plastic. (15" 15.6. So it's bigger than my laptop screen. It costs over $100 US, so it's around 110 USD. I think I need to do like this. No, yeah, just need to lift it like this. Yeah, slowly, yeah, I guess like this, like this. Okay. More there. Here you go. So this is what, oh my god, sure. So this is what we got inside. We got a USB-C cables. We got a short HDMI cable, another USB-C is for the power, and this for the audio, other for the power. You plug it here. I'm gonna remove this one. User manual. Just to clean it. And then we got the screen itself here. It's well protected. More stuff to remove. Okay. You can hold it like this. It's like a book. Okay. Damn, it's so nice. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's bigger than my laptop screen. So nothing left here. I'm gonna put this box here. Okay. So put it like this. Ooh. As you can see it here. Okay. So I'm gonna plug it. As you can see here, is the HDMI port, USB-C 2 port, and we got the audio. It's got another USB here. Let me plug it and test it. So the HDMI. I got so many HDMI cables here. I think I want to use this screen is for my CCTV cameras demo. And then we're gonna need the power. This one here. Okay. So kind of you can plug on any port here for the power, because I can't see. I'm gonna do like this. Plug the HDMI. I'm gonna put it on my laptop. Plug it here. Plug it here on my laptop. Let me power it and see. Okay. You can see it's on. And it's ready to pick my laptop. So the touch screen is not working. You might need to plug the other cable, which is this one. Do I have Type-C port on my laptop? Let me see. So the power can go on any port here, on any C port. Let me plug this one and see if the touch screen will work. Now let's see. So touch screen still not working. For some reason, it's not working. And this is the volume. This button here for the volume. Brightness. But touch screen is not working. I don't know if I'm missing something, but it did not work. It's not working. Absolutely very nice. I like it. So I'm gonna check later why the touch screen is not working. You can see here, let's say you can power HDMI out, smartphone. Yeah. I'm gonna plug my cameras and see. As you can see, those are my security cameras. They are also connected to it. I like it. The touchscreen works only when you are going to the setting of the monitor. Security cameras connected to my JVC portal monitors. You can double click here. This camera does have audio. As you can hear the audio. It's coming to my monitor. Like it. Very nice. I love it. Love it. Touchscreen won't work, remember? Touchscreen work only when